Now, the government says it's prepared to seek outside help as it tries to get answers about how and why Sangster International Airport in St. James was allowed to shut down last week. Hundreds of travelers were left inconvenienced after several flights were cancelled, delayed or forced to reroute to other airports in the Caribbean. The authorities say the lockdown was due to issues linked to the expansion of the runway. The Transport Minister, Daryl Vaz, has since met with some of the stakeholders and held high-level discussions. An audit of the airport's safety operations has also been ordered.
Preliminary reports are in, but I have asked for a comprehensive report to be submitted to me on the 31st of August, and that will be driven by the new board of the Jamaica Civil Aviation Authority, which actually got their appointment letters on the day of the incident, August 10th. So that board, I have full confidence in their expertise and their experience, and of course, any outside resources that they need in terms of additional professional help or anything else will be made available to make sure that the report that comes to me is complete, and from that, decisions will be made as to what's the next step. And of course, the public will be kept informed.